Hello friends, welcome to Perfection IAS Mains Model Answer discussion. In today's Mains Model Answer discussion, we are going to discuss UPSC 2022 Geography Mains question. So the question for today is, mention the significance of strait and isthmus in international trade. This question was asked in 15 marker, so you have to write around 250 words. This is a straightforward question. The main demand of the question is international trade significance of straits and isthmus. So straits and isthmus have many significant, but the major demand of the question is international trade. So for this question, you have to write introduction. In introduction, you can explain straits and isthmus in simple terms. So after that, you have to write the body. This question contains only one part, that is significance part. So under that you can write around 7 to 8 point with example. Then last is conclusion. You can conclude this question by writing some significance like other significance of straits and isthmus. So this should be the structure of your answer. Now let us move on to the introduction part. As we discussed earlier, you have to explain strait and isthmus. So what is strait? It's a narrow waterway. It's a narrow waterway that connect two larger water bodies. Okay, so it's nothing but a narrow waterway which connects two water body 1 and water body 2. This is known as strait. Okay, one of the important strait is Strait of Gibraltar, which connects Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. So this is strait. And isthmus. So isthmus is nothing but a narrow strip of land. Okay, so strait is a narrow strip of water body, but isthmus is narrow strip of land that connect two larger landmass. So strait is water that connecting two water body, but isthmus is land that connecting two land masses. Okay, or it can also be a stripe of land that separate two water bodies. Okay, so it can connect two land masses, or else it separate two water bodies. This is known as isthmus. So example for isthmus is Isthmus of Panama, which connect North America and South America. So this will be the introduction of your question. You need not to write in-depth explanation. In simple term, just mention what is isthmus and what is strait. Okay. So now let us move on to the body part. Body part, you have to write about the significance of straits and isthmus in international trade. The first and foremost significance is connectivity. Strait and isthmus connect two larger body of water. Already we had seen it connect two larger body of water and facilitate international trade by providing shipping land for cargo vessel. So it acts as a important. It is very important for connectivity. Okay, so the example for this is Strait of Malacca, which connect Indian Ocean to South China Sea. So this Malacca Strait lies between Singapore and Malaysia. It acts as an important trade route between China and Gulf countries. Okay. The next significance is strategic importance. So control over straits and isthmus can give a country a strategic advancement in terms of military as well as economic power. So those country which is controlling the straits and isthmus have advantage in both military as well as in economic sphere. Example is Suez Canal, so which connecting Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea is one of the strategic location. Okay, so those who controlling in history, we have seen that those who controlling Suez Canal play an important role in the in military as well as in economic sphere. Okay, so this is the another significance. The next is transit route. The strait and isthmus can also serve as a transit route for oil and natural gas pipeline. So further increasing the significance in international trade. So it is a important transit route for oil and gas pipelines. Example is the Bosporus Strait, which connect Black Sea to Mediterranean Sea, and it's a major transit route for oil and natural gas pipeline. So this is also a important trade significance. The next is trade hub. Those cities which are located near the Straits and Hormuz have become major trade hub. Okay, trade hub due to their strategic location. The city mostly act as a entry port. This is the place where the big ships come to change fuel or some repair purpose. Okay, so this act as a important trade hub. The example is Singapore, which located at the southern end of Strait of Malacca, is a major trade hub in Southeast Asia. And other significance is resource access. Control over the strait and isthmus can give a country access to resource in other region. Okay, example is Strait of Hormuz, which connects Persian Gulf to Arabian Sea, is of significant importance as it allows access to oil resource in Persian Gulf. So those countries which control strait can have upper hand over accessing the resource over the region. Okay, so this is also important significance. The next is environment friendly shipping. The depth of straits or isthmus can also play a role in environment friendly shipping. Example for this is by deepening the Pak Strait, which lies between India and Sri Lanka, we can cut short the trade route. We can shorten the trade route between India and Sri Lanka, so which will help us to reduce the fuel consumption and emission. So the strait and isthmus can also help in environment friendly shipping. So these are the major significance of straits and harbors in international trade. So now let us see the conclusion. So straits are important not only for economic reason but also for strategic military value, as this serves as the point of control for shipping land. So this should be your conclusion. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching Perfection IAS.